Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Red Velvet's The Velvet. I have been wanting this album for a while, but I was waiting until I went to Korea to finally buy it. This is actually the last album that I needed to complete my Red Velvet discography other than Rookie, which I also have. But yeah, I'm just really happy that I own it. It's roughly, I think exactly the same size as the Red album. Which I guess makes sense since it came, like, it was right after the Red album. Oh wait, the track listing is on here. Okay, so the track listing, there are 8 tracks. And they are One of These Nights, which is the title track, Cool Hot Sweet Love, Light Me Up, First Time, Rose Scent Breeze, and then 3 versions of One of These Nights, the Da Capo version, the Joe Millionaire version, and the piano version. So I actually didn't listen to this album when it first came out. I think I listened to it like a month later. I did watch the music video and obviously heard the song for One of These Nights, but I just think it, maybe because it wasn't one of my favorite Red Velvet songs, I didn't listen to the rest of the album, which is a bit slower than like a lot of their other stuff. I tend to like Red Velvet's more upbeat tracks. Like I really love like Russian Roulette and like Rookie, but this one is a bit more understated, but I do think that they do the ballads really well, and I like their versatility. Excuse me, sorry, my throat. My favorite tracks on here are First Time and Rose Scent Breeze. I really like ballads in that kind of style, so I really like these songs. And yeah, that's it. I still think this album is a really good one though. And like I said, really shows off the versatility, because Red Velvet are a pretty versatile group and can do a lot of different like styles, be it the more pop styles or the more kind of the slower stuff, more like sultry kind of stuff, like Be Natural or like Automatic even. Yeah, I think everyone's done unboxings for this album already, because it's not that new. Okay, so slipcase. Let's go through the jewel case first. Okay, and the CD blue. Lyrics, I assume. Really cute, the styling of this. Credits. Yeah, that's everything in the jewel case. Let's go through the photo book. There is a photo card in here, so I'll take it out first. Yeah, it fell out. And take out the SM ads as well. Very beautiful and aesthetic, as you would expect from an SM group. Everything looks looks really pretty. As always. Joy. Speaking of Joy, I'm really excited for her new drama, The Liar and His Lover, I think. Yeah, I'm just super excited for it because I love her and I also love Ihyunwoo, so yeah, seeing them both together. I wanted him to have like a main role like in a romance Korean drama for such a long time. So yeah, I'm so excited for it. She looks so pretty with the yellow. SM really likes like the blurry shots. The shots where they're in motion. Yeah, that is it for this photo book. It's not especially thick or anything, but it is pretty. I mean, Red Velvet are so beautiful. They could be doing anything and they could make it look pretty. But anyway, it does come with your standard SM ad, of course, and the genie card. And for the photo card, I got Yeti. This is a really I've never seen I've seen Joy's card for the Velvet, but I don't think I've seen any of the others. And I don't know, I kind of like this. It's really pretty. Like the color of it is so pretty. I tend to like close-up pictures usually for photo cards, but I don't know, something about this is really like pretty and very aesthetically pleasing, I suppose. This is, I think, the second time that I've pulled Yeti. But she's so cute. She's become so beautiful, like especially like in Rookie era. She's so stunning. Like, yeah, every time I see her, I'm just like, oh, my heart. But anyway, yeah, I will be doing an unboxing for Rookie really soon because I have 2 copies of Rookie. I have the Joy cover and the Suluki cover. So I'll probably be unboxing them both. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.